When determining the correct valuation of your inventory, or just determining the cost, the full cost, what should I report inventory as? It's important to understand some extra terminology, and one of those is FOB, meaning free on board. But nothing is free. Someone will have to pay for shipping. And you'll hear terminology FOB shipping point and FOB destination. It all has to do with who pays for shipping. Well, it depends. Is it FOB shipping point or is it FOB destination? And what does this mean? Well, it's when does legal ownership change hands? So the store, in order to have enough inventory on their shelf, they're going to have to place orders frequently for merchandise inventory. Well, who's going to pay for shipping of that inventory from the factory to the store? FOB shipping point is at the dock of the factory, and FOB destination is at the store, at the delivery point. But who pays for shipping? It all depends on when does legal ownership change hands. And what is FOB shipping point, FOB destination? This is the point in time when that legal ownership changes hands. And it's important because it will determine when your inventory will be added to the store's balance sheet and when it will be removed from the factory's balance sheet. Who owns it and when? When does legal ownership change hands? So if it's FOB destination, that means the store will not own it until that truck, the delivery truck, reaches the destination or reaches the store. So until that point in time, it remains on the factory's balance sheet as their inventory. But if it's FOB shipping point, legal ownership changed hands at that point in time when it left the factory, when it was initially loaded on the truck. So at this time, the store owns it in transit. So they can put it on their balance sheet. The factory will remove it from their balance sheet. When does legal ownership change hands?